Hey guys, welcome back to Devcast. In this video, we are going to see how we can install WordPress on your local computer. So if you haven't watched my previous video about XAMPP to create a local server, Apache and MySQL, then you should watch that first. Link is in description. Let's launch the XAMPP control panel to start the Apache and MySQL to get started. So search for it and start both the things. Okay, so it is done now, and let's go to our browser and download the WordPress package. So go to wordpress.org and then click on Get WordPress and scroll down and you will see Download WordPress with latest version. You need to get these files into your localhost root folder, that is htdocs, and once your zip file is there, you need to extract these files. The file is here. You need to right click on it to extract it. So I'm using a utility called 7zip and you can use the default extractor. So let's extract it. Okay, so it's done. Let's go to our browser and go in localhost and you will see the folder and we can click it to start the installation process. So in this screen, you can see a language selection box that is provided by WordPress installer. So you can click continue, and in this screen, you see some information that it is required to start the WordPress installation process. So click on the let's go button, and now we need a database name, username, password and things. To create all those things, we need to get into our phpMyAdmin section that was installed when we installed the XAMPP. So you need to type in your URL localhost/phpMyAdmin and it will take you there. So this is your database management section and we need to create a database for our WordPress. So let's click new and type our database name. It is WordPress, so I'm typing WordPress and then click create. So let's click create and your database is created. And now we need to use this information in our WordPress installer. So let's get back there and type our database name. It is already there. Username is root. By default, XAMPP has this username and there is no password for that. And the database server is our localhost and table prefix would be WP_, that is default. You can change it as well. Let's click the submit button to save this information and now run the installation. So it tested your credentials and now we need to fill in some basic information about our blog or the site we are building, like the site title and a username you want to create for your login purpose. I am using admin because it is local and I do not want anything complex. So admin will be password as well. We can you need to add your email address, that should be good if you are getting it online, or if it is local you do not need. You can discourage the search engine visibility and then click the install WordPress button to get started. In this process it will create database tables in your database and here you go. So it is done. Now click on the login button to log in with your username and password that we created earlier. So I'm typing admin as my username and then copying it and pasting it in the password as well. We have both things ready and then I can click on the login button. So you can see I'm using both the same credentials. And now in your phpMyAdmin you can see the database tables are done and WordPress automatically created the following information, but you do not need to get into this right now. As it is a slightly advanced part, we will get back to it later. So let's get back to our WordPress section. And so this is your WordPress dashboard and we will continue in the next video about how to use all these features and how to manage your WordPress. Let's see in the front end. So this is your front end of the site for now and we will make it look nice in the next video. Stay tuned.